What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great and lovely day. If you guys aren't, just sit back and enjoy today's video. We're going to be working on the Mini Cooper today as opposed to the Mustang. I really haven't done much to the Mini Cooper, which is why I kind of want to work on it. It's still pretty much stock. The only thing I've done to it is the exhaust, not the whole thing, but just from the mid pipe and back, as well as a 17% supercharger putty and an upgraded bypass valve for the supercharger itself, and that's pretty much it. Now I won't do anything crazier than that because I don't want to spend, a little bit more when it comes to that two-year gap, But that's where I'm going to leave it. Now I might sound crazy when I say this, but it surprisingly it pulls. Like, I be in the freeway and I downshift and just step on the gas and my head just swings back into the seat. So it does pull and it is quick for its size. I'm pretty sure it has gotten more power from the things I've done, but that's pretty much where I'm going to leave it. Right now, I'm going to focus on the exterior since it is my daily, and like I said, I haven't done much to it. And on top of that, it's pretty beat up. So I at least want to make it look nice and clean, mainly to replace all the broken and like deteriorated plastic and pieces like a rubber from the seals that have been on the car since, I don't know, probably since it came out the belt. And you guys will see what I mean once we get outside. We got 3 items that I want to install on the R53. For this video though, we are only focusing on these 2, so we could grab this, move it out the way. So what we got here is a rear hatch handle for the R53. Let me go ahead and take it out of the wrapper. The one on my Mini Cooper is cracked. That's why I went and got me a new one. It is also a gray cutter rather than black, but I went with black just so I could give it something to stand out from it than just having it the same cutter as a car. And then on the little box, we have these right here. So these are LED lights for the license plates. They are plug and play, so they should just connect in. I haven't tried them nor tested them out yet, so I don't really know how to fit them nor if they work, but we are going to try them together. Now I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I did get these off of eBay rather than OEM place, and here's the reason why. If I would have got that hatch handle as a OEM part, I was looking and the cheapest one I was able to find was about $98, not including tax or shipping or anything like that, as opposed to eBay, which is where I bought it from. Believe it or not, I picked it up for $45. With tax and shipping, I think it came out to about $55 around there. Still way less than the $98 that they're trying to charge for the OEM part. At the end of the day, it's just plastic. It still works the same as an OEM part, so for me it doesn't really matter. Now as far as the lights, I'm not too sure, but I do usually get LED side markers and lights and stuff like that for my Mustang off of eBay. They always seem to work, and I never really had any issues with the lightings from them. Even my headlights for the Mustangs are from eBay, so I'm going to give it a try. I don't think they will disappoint. And if you guys do want a pair of either the LED lights or the hatch handle, I will leave a link in the description below like I do with all the other videos. Let's go outside and show you guys what we're working with. So now that we're outside, you guys can see what I was talking about. So this whole entire plastic part is broken and it has like some glue on top of it. I'm guessing the previous owner just tried to glue it back together, but it's not working. On the underside, we have regular yellow or amber lights. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace that. It should be easy and simple, not too hard. So let's get to it. So pretty much what you're going to do is come to the back of this handle, and there are 4 screws. Those screws get removed, and then once they get removed, you simply just lift it up and it should pop right out. That's what I was talking about, that little wire right there. It is just a clip, so you just want to unclip that. And I don't know, I lost my wire somewhere in there. So actually, I do recommend you guys to take this whole back panel off. I'm going to have to remove it regardless for the next video, but simply you have all these screws on the sides right here that you just have to remove. So let me go ahead and do that and see if I can find that wire that I lost back there, and I'll pick up the camera. Once you remove it, it'll look something like this. Here's that wire that goes connected to. As you see, it is a little short, so I think it is better if you just remove this whole entire plastic trim right here, just to make it easier for the installation of the new handle. Now that I have it off, I'll give you guys a better look of the old one. So it is all broken and cracked. That's what I was talking about, that little like gray, I don't know, all that gray stuff outside the crack lining. I think he tried to glue it and it just didn't work. So the only thing to do with this is now we turn back this way and we have the new too damn loud. So now that we have that piece OS removed, we want to grab the new one, and you just want to repeat the process. I'm going to install these lights. I don't know how it's going to work, so I'm going to do one first and then I'll show you guys how to do the second one. So pretty much all you want to do is remove the covers that come already installed. They just pop right up. And to install these lights, I didn't realize it, but it actually has an arrow with the letter of what side it goes. To install it, there's two prongs right here on the actual light itself, and you literally just pop it in. So here's the old one, you guys can see it's all beat up, and now we have the new one right on the car already. I still have the little wrapper on. Let me go ahead and take it out, or take it off I should say. Oh man, that looks so much better. Such a big difference. I mean, I know you guys probably can't really tell, but for me who sees this car every day, just having it black makes it pop out a little bit more and gives it a huge difference. And then as far as the screws, I put the original ones in the middle, since I think behind there sits the housing for like all these wires and stuff. So I didn't want to put a bigger screw behind her. So original screws for the middle, and then for the side ones, I did find that these silver ones I had laying around actually fit perfectly. Don't even budge, like saw this fit. I'm going to leave that back trim removed because I still have to do that little box right there. But it is already getting dark, so I am just going to do it tomorrow. But that's gonna be it for today's video. As you guys saw, as simple as it was, we installed a brand new hatch handle onto the R53. It's honestly a simple fix that will make a huge difference in pretty much aesthetics. So I would really recommend it if you guys want to change the look of the rear from your R53. Other than that, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.